Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sivakant Pathak. Here today we are going to see topic valence band, conduction band and forbidden energy gap in solid. So these bands are energy band. See here, energy band, it is of solid. We are knowing solid is a systematic combination of atoms or molecule in crystalline structure, and in non-crystalline structure it has no certain structure available, right? So here in the solid, the outermost orbit divided into two energy band. The lower energy band is known as valence band, and this valence band are the group of energy levels. This is energy level in a solid. Lower energy level is called valence band and upper energy level is called conduction band. This is, and the difference in both energy is called forbidden energy gap, and it is denoted by Eg, by the symbol. So let us see what is the valence band in detail. It is a range of energy from here to here. See in the diagram, lower energy range of energy possessed by valence electron, in which charge carriers is called valence electrons are found, and it is called a valence band. These are outermost electron. We know these outermost electron. We may write outermost electron of atom is valence electron. It is partially or completely filled. In case of inert gases only, inert gases is completely filled, otherwise it is partially filled. Clear? Conduction is not possible due to these electrons found in valence band. No possibility of a conduction by the valence band electrons. Clear? Now we are going to see the upper band, upper energy band. It is also a range of energy. Due to number of atoms or molecules lives nearby in same energy level, this is a little up and down, so it's from a band range from here to here. This is a conduction band in which, see in the box, which type of electron live? Free electron. See carefully. These free electrons are responsible for electric conduction. And one more, remember, this is conduction electron also. How conduction electron formed? See very carefully here in the diagram. Here in metals, this valence electron are loosely packed due to the temperature and the movement of electron within the band. There is a transfer of energy from one electron to another. If its energy obtained by one of the electron more than the forbidden energy gap, then electrons jump from valence band to conduction band, and conduction band electrons is called free electrons, and these electrons are only responsible for the electric current which I explained here in it. The separation between both is called forbidden energy gap. So let us see the third one here. Forbidden energy gap. This forbidden energy gap is the separation between valence band and conduction band. See carefully. This is the valence band and it is a conduction band. The separation between both band is called forbidden energy gap. In insulator, this gap is much more. In semiconductor, very less. And in case of metal, there are no gap available so far. So this is about valence band, conduction band, and the forbidden energy gap. This is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.